oblivious.
Dear Julia, it's been 3 long, hard winter months.
Make the trail, or the trail makes you.
Mate the trail.
Stop saying words that thinking it's a sentence it's not.
Alright, we are on the way.
We're on the way.
Going camping.
Camping, babe.
Yep. Where are we going?
Big lagoon.
Goo Lagoon.
The big lagoon.
Can't say Goo Lagoon, it's copyrighted. Is it?
It's probably fine. You can quote things. I can say Carl Papa and bad lip reading's not going to copyright me.
They might.
Sure they will.
What if you get like millions of views and you get like millions of dollars from this? All because you said Carl Papa. You never know.
Carl Papa.
Oh my gosh. He's trying to get demonetized.
Ding dong.
Ding dong.
Hello.
Ding dong.
How's it going?
Cold. I brought entertainment.
That's entertainment?
Yes.
Cool.
Alright, first opening of MRE. That's never been opened.
Totally not.
Kinda-
Totally didn't open it yet.
Open. I ripped it open. You didn't see it. It was just off camera. Cameraman's bad. We got a cracker. Another cracker. Handsome cracker. What's this? A box. Cheese tortellini and tomato sauce. Oh. I can't show this for
Copyright purposes.
copyright reasons, but they're chocolate candy round disc that may be colorful or not.
Colorful candy chocolate discs.
That's a spoon. Essential in survival. Trash.
For self-defense.
Gum. Moist towelette.
Moist.
Beverage base raspberry. Beverage base raspberry. What I believe
Beverage based
from what
raspberry.
happens-
We're trying that later.
Your tube of peanut butter.
Ooh, I like that.
Those are actually really good because mine came with one when I used mine last.
This is fruit punch, carbohydrate electrolyte beverage powder, fruit punch flavor.
It sounds like it would be best used for a science experiment.
Maybe. Your food heater, in case you're a little wimp. I'm not gonna say wimp. And you like your food warm.
He doesn't like cooked meals.
Postcard for grandma. Just kidding. It's mixed fruit
I already started opening the can I see the postcard?
in heavy syrup.
Never
And
mind.
another seasoning blend, salt-free.
Seasoning blend salt free.
I have no idea what
That's
that means. I
that's
think it might be
probably
pepper.
garlic powder.
That could be true. That was in the bottom. But this is probably one of the best MREs I've ever opened.
Will you hold this for a minute? Sure.
This is dangerous.
Wait, no, I need that.
Well, it's dangerous because I'm putting my head near it.
Oh, okay.
Thanks. Good to know, also.
Oh, you just don't care about me. That's right. Just screw
Now I
me.
just gotta get my pen out and start writing my postcard home.
Or your love letter to your girl back in the States.
Yeah, that too.
Dear Julia.
From New Livius.
Dear Julia, it's been 3 long, hard winter months. But not chill, because chill bad. Warm
We're
by
gonna
the fire.
warm by
We're
the
gonna
fire.
warm by the fire. There's Graham in his new sleeping bag.
Holy crap, dude.
Is it hot?
Yes. So warm.
Well, yeah,
Give me.
it's not 0 degrees.
It's 0 degrees. You don't sleep in home.
Well, it might not help that you have a jacket on, but
No, it's great.
and a hat. All right, let's go dump him in the river. I think you'll float.
Zip all the rest away.
This is a terrible drawing.
There should be a zipper on the inside. You know that, right?
It is, but it's like warm. I don't even think we need the other knife.
Christian's trying to reflect over here, and you're just
I'm bragging about mine.
yeah.
I'm not unboxing. Actually, I unboxed this and it wasn't a lot.
Day 1, 4th hour. Got the tent set up. Feeling wood sick. Miss the woods. Hope to come home soon.
Maybe this war will be over soon.
Is woods your
Hot.
favorite? Huh? Yeah.
It's my favorite thing about camping. Yeah.
Graham has pot.
Really?
The woods are my favorite thing about camping.
My thing is the aspect of camping. I like that this is a new area. I think it's cool. I feel like it'd be even cool if it was like what were we talking about, Alaska? You can't be in Alaska.
It's called beach survival. Okay.
It's beach survival.
Where's the beach? You said beach
that way.
survival.
It's that way.
It should be that way. There's a boardwalk that goes
Can
that
we
way.
Get to the beach from here.
Yeah.
This is my least favorite.
Like not, yeah.
My least favorite part of this kit. Everything else is great. I mean, if you don't,
I wonder where it is.
I don't want you wearing it.
It'd be pretty gross.
Yes.
Yeah.
All right, let's.
Thank you.
Can I have half of that?
Yes. Jerky? It's okay. Yeah.
It's crazy. He doesn't really make a little bit of footprints, but he doesn't have.
Can you fill it to the amount specified with water?
Tear here to move.
No. Tear it up there first.
Okay.
Okay. Now pull the thing out. Now fill it with water to the fill line.
What'd I do that?
To make it even easier, put this lid on and then.
No, that would make it a mess. I'm sorry, Graham.
I'm sorry, your ideas suck.
Yeah, I didn't want it just.
Cashews, but never mind.
I'm allergic. Not really.
Overfilled.
You overfilled. Do not overfill.
Drink it, Chris.
My wet tortellini. Squidward tortellini.
All right, now fold it opposite the heater. No, just once.
I did just do it once.
Like that.
All right.
Also, did my hats fall
And
off
then
over
put
there?
it in that.
Yeah. Come on. Science. You don't have rock.
Rock or something. All right, now we can eat. Now we can eat this.
What is this? Mixed berries?
Mixed fruit. Where's the spoon? Here's the spoon.
How many of you like to try the mixed berries? Hey, jerky boy, you want some berries?
Huh?
You want some berries?
Sure. You want some cashews?
Put your booty over here.
Huh?
Put your booty over here. Oh, dude, that looks good.
Delicious.
I was being serious. I mean, it does look good. Tastes like a fruit cup. I feel like I'm back in preschool.
Pass that.
Bran,
Okay.
are you actually allergic to cashews?
No.
Don't it taste like a fruit cup?
You hear that
Yeah,
guy?
like fruit cocktail.
Yeah.
Christian lies.
Okay. The issue I have with cashews is that sometimes they have this weird preservative stuff on them, because it happens with peanuts too. But I can eat peanut butter, and I can eat cashews in some trail mixes, but like cashews all by themselves have this weird preservative thing. Some pistachios have it too.
Did you want to try it?
And I guess I'll have one. It's not.
How bad is it? Your react just swells up.
Yeah, just my lip swells up a little bit. Fun. And it doesn't taste like it has it either. So.
Plus, it's good and smart. Christian, look, it's good and smart.
That's the brand.
I don't know about you, but I feel like I'm back in preschool. Eating fruit cocktails. As he knocks down with Ted.
The anti-ice dance.
It's his rain dance.
you go.
This thing is covered in frost.
So the sun do its job. That's a lot. They deliver the ice.
Pizza Hut delivered the ice. I wish I had recorded that. That was funny. I was on the phone with Pizza Hut and I forgot. I was going to order a 2-liter and have them bring us ice too, but they don't do the ice. And even worse than that, they're not delivering us a 2-liter because we had already decided on the phone that it was going to be a pickup, not a order. So
We were just delivering the drinks.
snowball fight.
Squirtle returns fire.
Then it's war.
Snowball fight.
I've been hit.